Lynette here, and in today's video we're sharing another variety fun box. So let's get in and let's get into those snacks. Okay guys, welcome back. So today we're sharing another variety fun box. Thankfully, I'm grateful they decided to partner up with me so I can share this snack box with you guys every month. So thanks to Variety Fun for sharing this one with me so I can share with you guys. Now, just an update from that last box we got. Everyone literally ate everything. The beauty of this one is, I don't know if you guys, and let me know in the comment section below, I don't know if you guys have kids that you have to get snacks for them. In my son's school, it's 75 cents each potato chip snack that he gets. And that can be basically, that's like $1 a day. This is way cheaper than what I pay the school. So I was definitely grateful. He loved and he's very picky. And he's watching his weight, he's 14. So he loved every snack that was in that last box. So I'm definitely excited to share this next one with you guys. And thankfully, gratefully, I do have a 30% off coupon that will be in the description box below, so you guys can try that first box at a discount. So if we can save you money, that's what we're here for. So looking on their site, they actually have two different options. So you can subscribe monthly to receive a package every month. If you want to subscribe to chips or snacks, they have healthy ones, or they have just regular chips like Doritos, things like that on the site. You can decide to get it bi-monthly, or you can get it once a week. We did go through that box fairly quickly, so if your family, we have a family of 4 here, so if you guys love snacks or you think you're gonna get through that quickly, the bi-monthly one may be better for you. The reason why I like Variety Fun, in my opinion, it's different from if you went to like one of those wholesale stores, because this is actually a variety of snacks, not just one box of one brand. It's just a variety, so that's why I think we loved it. So every month when you subscribe, you get a huge box just like this, and it has a ton of snacks. So just be prepared and let me know if your family would eat any of these, and I will definitely let you guys know if my family would eat any of these. So this is what it looks like when you get the box yourself. So it's a ton, and as you can see there, it's a mixture of brands and brands I've never heard of, but they were super good. So we're gonna start and dive deep into this, and I'll let you know if there's anything here that I've never heard of, but we tasted it and we loved. Okay, so the very first thing that I see here is from Remy's Grams. This one is in chocolate. We did taste this one, loved it. Never heard of the company before, but we totally loved it. That one is chocolate, and then we have another Remy Gram. This one is in cinnamon, and I told you guys my son is picky, and he told me if I can get these again from this brand. So this is Abby's Cookies, and this is in chocolate chip. And then we also have Abby's Cookies. This one was in shortbread. This was in my last box, and we loved it. And then, of course, the well-known brand, you guys know all. Oreos, you guys know how that tastes. This is Oreo minis, and it looks like there's 3 packages of these. So these are definitely good. These are great, guys. If you have children in school, these are great. And then next is mini Chips Ahoy chocolate chip cookies. Those are awesome. And then we have Goldfish. Goldfish are super expensive. I don't know why they are, but they are expensive in my supermarket. It's like $7 for the whole box in my supermarket. It's super crazy. So we had that. We love those. And then next one, this is actually something new. So this is non-GMO fat-free, and these are Snyder's of Hanover. So these are 100-calorie packs. If you're watching your calories, this is perfect. This is mini pretzels, and we have 2 packs of those, so that is super cool. And then we have Nutter Butter Bites. These are perfect, but if you have someone who, like me, who can't eat peanut butter, I don't eat these. So usually my family does, or my husband, somebody in the house will. So these are perfect, but I'm not like super allergic. I can totally still eat it. I just try not to. And then we have sweet and salty mix. This is from the company Cars. I love trail mix. Basically, that's what this is. Never heard of the company, but it's trail mix, so I'm sure it will taste it will taste good. And then we have We have from Kashi, we have chocolate almond sea salt. So we have that there. Sorry, you guys can see that. All right, so we have that. And then we have from Quaker, we have chewy chocolate chip granola bar. We have that. And then we have from Nature Garden Omega-3 Deluxe Mix. So we have that there. Those look good. And then we have from Keebler, we have bite-sized M&M's mini cookies. We have that. And then we have from Remy Grahams, again, honey graham crackers. So those are really, really good. We love this brand, so that is definitely appreciated again. This one, never heard of this. This is Corn Nuts Bran Crunchy Corn Kernels. So I've never seen this before. 220 calories per pack. I've never heard of that and I have no idea, so we will definitely give that a try. We have from the company Enlighten, we have Bada Bing, Bada Boom. This is crunchy broad hunt beans, 100 calories, mesquite barbecue crunchy broad bean. I've never heard of that before. So this is bold, crunchy, satisfying. Those are from, I've never heard of broad beans. So there you go, see something that you've never heard of, so super different. And then we have again from Bada Bean, Bada Boom, we have spicy wasaba, crunchy broad beans. These are 100 calories. So that is cool, I've never heard of the company. And then again from Bada Bean, Bada Boom, we have sweet cinnamon crunchy broad bean, 100 calories. These are all 7 grams of protein. So you guys probably don't know this, but I'm vegetarian. So, and wherever I can get protein from, I definitely do it my best. All right, so that is super good. And then we have from Fiber One, these are 70 calories brownie. So things like this, I totally live for. And then we have 4 packets of peanuts. These peanuts are really, really good because they fill you up so much. So we have 4 packets of that. So my husband and I will probably be grabbing that one. And then we have from Cooper Street, and definitely let me know if you guys have ever heard of these other brands, because I haven't. Cooper Street, this is a blueberry pomegranate. This is 100 calories. This is a granola cookie baked, 110 calories. So there you go. And then we have another Cooper Street. This is 110 calories. This is granola cookie bakes. This is chocolate cherry. That is that. And then we have another Cooper Street. This is 110 calories. This is granola cookie bakes. This is oatmeal. What is this? Oatmeal cranberry. Right in the right season for Thanksgiving. And then we have some more Nature Garden. So this is unsalted roasted cashews. And I don't know if you guys know this, but cashews you can actually blend and make that into like pasta, I think it is. So you can use that for pasta. And then this is Nature Garden Omega-3 Nut Mix is another one. So that is cool. And then we have Nature Valley Crunchy Oats and Nuts Honey Bar. So you guys see that. And then we have, if you like chocolate, this is for you. So we have Grandma Chocolate Chip Cookies. We have that. We have 2 of those actually, same brand. That is super cool. And then we have Grandma's Peanut Butter Cookies. That is really good. And then we have Grandma's Oatmeal Raisin Cookies. And last but not least, we have Grandma's Chocolate Brownies. So guys, let's do a recap. So we're gonna do a quick recap. We have chocolate chip cookies, we have Omega, we have pretzels, we have broad beans. I've never heard of that before. See, that's what I love about the box, because you get stuff that, you get brands that you've never heard of, but then you also get brands that you have heard of. So it's such a huge mixture. I love it. So what did you guys think of this month's, and I still have things on the table. What did you guys think of this month's variety fun box. Definitely let me know in the comment section below if you guys have tried variety box. If you guys never tried variety box, I would definitely recommend it. Even if they didn't send this box to me to check out, I would definitely recommend it because this is so much cheaper than if you went and had to buy the chips from the school. So in my opinion, I would definitely recommend it. And if you guys want to check them out, I have a 30% off coupon in the description box below, so you guys can check that out and save some cash. So with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day and make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. So have a good day, guys.